Okay, it's going to be the same major scale, but we're gonna skip some notes and come back. So the notes will be do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do. And then you come back. Do, la, ti, so, la, fa, so, mi, fa, re, mi, do. Okay. Do, mi, re, so, mi, do, mi, re, fa, do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do. Do, la, ti, so, la, fa, so, mi, fa, re, mi, do. Okay, now you're gonna put your metronome on again and do the same thing. Same thing. You see that I'm skipping fingers. It's because I already have the bad habit. But try not to do that. Try to just alternate, okay? And then you're gonna double strokes. Triple strokes. Quadruple strokes. So as you can see, I'm playing with it. I'm going around. I'm starting from different points. Do the same thing. And then after you do that with the left hand, you make it faster until you are a little bit suffering, and then you work out at that highest level, okay? And then for the right hand, same thing. Same thing, okay? You do the exercise on everything. Go start from here, come down one step at a time, one step at a time until you come all the way down here and you go back up. Okay, so remember, right hand exercise, the left hand play the same thing slowly, but the right hand goes faster, faster and faster. Okay, and then for the right hand exercise, the left hand exercise rather, both goes faster. Okay, both will go faster. That's for the left hand exercise. For the left hand exercise, you keep increasing the tempo until you get to the point where it's hard, and then you work out there. Same thing for the left, same thing for the right hand, but it's just gonna be a little bit harder because you have 4 levels on the right hand. So you go, and then, and then, and then. So that's it for today.